Hey there! Today I have an Infinitely LOFT to unbox for you. So if you're not familiar with Infinitely LOFT, it is a clothing rental subscription service from Loft, and I've been doing this service for about 6 months now, I think. And I do really like it. With this service, you pay a flat $65 a month and you get to rent 3 items of clothing at a time, and you can keep turning it around for as many times as you want during the month. Typically, I've been getting 3 to 4 boxes a month, so that's 9 to 12 items for $64. They also allow you to buy out any of the items if you really want to keep them at a substantial discount. And the discount is typically 50 to 80% off, depending on, I guess, how old the item is. So I have kept quite a few things. But anyway, I'll put some information about how the service works down in the description box below, along with my referral link, which is good for a $20 credit. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. So it's been a while since I actually filmed one of these, but I actually have been getting them and wearing the items. I'm also still getting the Haberdash box, so I have one of those coming, I think, later this week, and based on what I saw, it looks like it's going to be good. Okay, so here's what the box looks like inside. Everything's always nicely packaged, and here's a peek at my bundle. So with Infinitely LOFT, you're able to actually prioritize the items. So you put everything that you want in your closet, and they'll send it to you based on availability. But you can prioritize items that you really want. So all 3 of these items were actually priority items, but I had prioritized them like over a month ago. So I guess they were kind of popular items, and maybe now they're not so new. Okay, but anyway, the first item, I really had wanted this sweater, but it's a little bit, I don't know, actually it still looks pretty good, I have to say, but you can see why I wanted this sweater. It's so cute. It has a dog on it, and I don't know if you know my dog Kaya, but I'm gonna bring her and I'm just gonna show you why I like the sweater so much. Come, Kaya. Kaya, come. Come, Kaya. Okay, hold on. Okay. Usually I save this to the end, but here is my dog Kaya. You see this? This dog? Can you picture her with a beanie hat on top? Yes. And this is the sweater. Let's see. Do you see the resemblance here? Yes, I think I think it's very similar. Okay, you can go back to sleep now. Okay. But anyway, so this is the first item, sorry. It's a really cute sweater. I should just wear this today. And it's a size medium petite. The buyout price on this sweater is $23.50, which is 60% off retail. But this is truly one of a kind. I think I need this in my life. But $23.50 for this sweater. Yay, I got it. It had been in my closet for a month. Okay. Next, I got this dress, and it's size medium petite, and let's see if there's a description. Sorry, I forgot to read the description for the other one. This one is the petite petal dot bell cuff dress in gold bliss. Yes, and I got the size medium petite. It does have a bell sleeve, no, some kind of, yeah, bellish sleeve, interesting squarish neckline, and here's the print. It's a nice mustard color and fully lined. It looks like you could just wear it like a shift dress maybe, but it also comes with this fabric belt. So this one, I probably put it in my closet over a month ago because I had seen in the Facebook group, there's like a Infinitely LOFT Facebook group that I kind of lurk. And I saw some people had gotten this dress and it looked really nice on them. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna try this dress. The only thing is, I got the medium petite, and then I forgot that a lot of times the loft dresses tend to run really short. So I probably should have just gotten the regular small. But we'll see how this works. Okay, and lastly, I got another dress. And okay, this is a size small, so I didn't get a petite in this. It's the floral short swing dress in black, And the buyout price on this is $34.50, which represents 50% off retail. Okay, so this is just a nice basic looking dress. It has kind of a, what is this? A flutter sleeve and some buttons on the side here, which are covered in velvet. And the print is just pretty nice. And 50% off retail. I guess this is a newer item. But yeah, I think this is very cute and very basic. I don't know if I'll buy it because to me it doesn't really look that special. So I do have a bunch of dresses probably very similar, but it's good for a wear, definitely. I'll definitely wear this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is that sweater, and I'm gonna call it the Kaya sweater. Right, Kaya? Kaya, come. Yes. Because it is, it's the Kaya sweater. As you can see, she's on it. And although, to be honest, it's a little hot to be wearing in Hawaii. I think I might keep this actually just because it's got Kaya on it. And I could wear it to the office and also when I visit my 2 daughters on the mainland. And by the way, mainland is the mainland of the United States. So we're in Hawaii, so the other states are the mainland. I really like this sweater. I think it's cute and definitely if I wear this with my 2 daughters, they're gonna really like it and they're gonna want it for their own. But we'll see. So I'm thinking I'll probably wear it maybe to work tomorrow or this week sometime and see what people say. It kind of makes a statement, yeah. But yeah, I like it. Okay, so here's the first dress. And this I actually really like. It's a really good length, it's not too short. And I like the way it's cut. So it kind of is narrow on top and then it flares out. And this dress actually looks brand new. So and then Sammy's right here. I think she feels neglected or left out because for the last try on I picked up Kaya and maybe she feels ignored because she's right here and she was staring at me. Okay, so it has these flutter sleeves and these little velvet covered buttons which are cute. And so I just put on kind of a chunky statement necklace that blends. And I have some Dansko. These are kind of chunky shoes. And let's put on a denim jacket. Okay, and here you go. Perfect work outfit. I think it looks nice. This is pretty much what I wear all the time. And and here's my favorite black Kate Spade purse that the strap was broken. So I think a couple of you suggested I take it to a shoe repair place, and sure enough, they repaired it, no problem, and it only cost me $10. So yeah, so I think that's a cute work look. And let's pick up Sammy since I picked up Kaya last time, so she can be in the try-on. Yeah, and here she is, even though she's not on the sweater. Her black fur matches the black. Right, Sammy? There, you can be included. Okay, she's heavy. Okay, so anyway, so that is the first dress, which I really like. Okay, and here is the second dress, which I have to say I actually really love this dress. I think I was worried that it would be too short, and actually I don't think it's too bad. And you could wear it like I have it belted, but you could also wear it just straight if you want more length. But yeah, I think this is really cute. It's just polyester, so it's very flowy, easy care. It doesn't wrinkle. I like these sleeves. They're kind of interesting. The color, I'm really into mustard. And I just added a sparkly necklace, and this is from J. Crew. And some very neutral shoes that kind of match my skin color. Okay, and let's try it with a jacket. here it is with, this is a blazer that's kind of like a dupe for a Stitch Fix blazer from French Mauve, the brand, and I was wanting to get it from Stitch Fix, but it's always sold out. So I found this from Walmart, and it's like $25 versus the French Mauve one is $88. So big difference. But I like this actually. I think it's versatile, and I've actually been wearing it. One thing I like about this is the sleeves are a little looser, so it can accommodate those kind of fancy sleeves on this dress. So yeah, I think that looks nice. The black picks up, there's little black polka dots. This could also go with a denim jacket. Okay, so here it is with, this is a denim jacket that I got from Poshmark, so it was thrifted. I think I picked it up for like under $15. But yeah, the sleeves are looser, so I can wear this dress with it. Yeah, when I tried wearing other things, the sleeves kind of looked funny. But yeah, I think this is cute. I really do like this dress. I'm actually thinking about purchasing it. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Infinitely Loft box this week. And you know, I think it was actually another good week. I will definitely be wearing all of these items this week. And I think I'm probably gonna purchase for sure this dress. And I just realized it was $17.50. So $17.50 for this dress that I actually really love is just amazing. So that is a no-brainer. I'm gonna keep that. This sweater, I really do like it, and I'm really thinking about just getting it just because it's a Kaya sweater. We'll see. I was looking online to see if I could just buy a brand new one, because you know, sometimes with sweaters it's nicer to get a new one, but they only had the extra small. So that was the only size, which would actually fit one of my daughters, and it had an extra 50% off. So this is actually cheaper than the website. So we'll see. Which leaves just this one dress, which I think is nice, and I'm pretty sure I've had dresses like this from Loft before over the years. So I will definitely be wearing this, but probably not keeping. Okay, but anyway, now it's time to say goodbye, and I just have one dog here, and that's Kaya, who's now famous because of the sweater. So let's have Kaya help me say goodbye. Kaya, come. I have this. Come, Kaya. Yes, Kaya likes treats too, right? Are you very curious, Kaya? Here you go. Here you go, sweetie. Okay. And here is Kaya. Yes. And I don't know where Sammy went. My husband came home and she left. He always has food, I guess, so that's probably why. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.